Hello viewers, today what I got for you today is a AEG high efficiency air conditioner. This is a 3-bladed Model 1. And you can also take a look at the sides. This one, if it starts turning on, my tummy will start going up and pop like a balloon. So this air conditioner seems like it's off, but this is not mine. The cover right here kind of got ripped off, and it's also, I want to tell you, this is still the same. All these AEG high efficiency air conditioners have warnings. There's like 2 more down, and that ends it. I'll make more videos, and there's also one more down there. A few more, a lot of them there. But down there are carrier air conditioners. The warnings are like on the grass, they are like swapped like that. My tummy will grumble if it turns on, because it might have the same sound. Mail bank, and you can see it looks like shoes, but it's not. It also had a sticker about AEG high efficiency. I don't know if I even said this before, that there's one down there, 2 more down there, and I want to explain to you about one other one down there. The last one, that's the last one, all the way over there. See that white thing there? I'll use a zoomer. But you can't see it, it's on top. Sorry. There's tweaks too that I have to clean. I'm afraid it might turn on, or here. It's off. If your neighbors are not there, just check it, and if they have twigs or leaves in it, just take it out, because it's very dirty and it has lots of rust. You can also get allergies. You can take a look around you can take a look around the sides. I don't know if I showed you this before, but this is not very, very dangerous. If you put your hand inside of it, you would get electrocuted and you would die, but it's not very nice. Don't make fun of people if you're a kid, teenager, baby, or an adult, or a grandpa or granny. Let me have a look. Here's a mail bank. That it might cause electrocute. There might be even wires in it. It's over inside. And I hope you enjoy the video. Please subscribe, rate, and stay tuned for more air conditioners. Have a good luck. Like and dislike. Peace out. And adios.